Good morning, dear kids. Today we will start a new topic, that is factorization. My dear kids, if I suppose give you 6x plus 8, this is an expression with two terms 6x and 8. You have to first take in the highest common factor of 6x and 8. मतलब ऐसा कौन सा नंबर है जो दोनों, ऐसा कौन सा टेबल है जिसमें दोनों आते हैं. लेट्स गो फॉर 2. So if I take in 2 common, here will be 3x plus 4. Yes, my dear kids, you have to keep this answer as it is. So you have factorized 6x plus 8 as 2 bracket 3x plus 4. I'll jump on to problem number 2, and that says 4a plus 10. Yes, my dear kids, you can take it 2 common and it will be 2a plus 5. This is factorization. Number 3, 10a plus 15. You can take 5, so inside will be 2a plus 3. Fourth, 9a plus 21. My dear kids, you can take it 3 and inside will be 3a plus 7. Like this, you have to factorize all. I'll give you 5 more. 6b plus 3. You have to factorize 10b plus 5. 25b plus 10. 15c minus 25. 12c minus 8. And 8a minus 24. Yes, dear kids, these extra problems from 5th to 10th you have to solve on your own. I'll take 11, and 11 says 8 minus 4d. My dear kids, can I take 4 common and inside will be 2 minus d, because I have taken 4 common, so inside will be 2 minus d. 12, 6 minus 4d. Can I take 2 common and inside will be 3 minus 2d. Next, I'll take 18 minus 12d. Can I take 3 common? 6 minus 4d. Again 6 minus 4d, you can also take 2 from here. So that will become 3 minus 2d. So here you will make it 6, 3 minus 2d. Are you getting my point clear? You have to take the highest common factor. So 3 is not the highest common factor. 6 is the highest common factor between 18 and 12. I'll jump on to 14th, and it says 6a plus 4d. Yes, my dear kids, you can take 2. Inside will be 3a plus 2d. Next 15, 7c minus 14d. My dear kids, you can take 7 common. Inside will be c minus 2d. Are you getting my point? 7 की टेबल में 14 2 में आता है, तो 7 2s are 14. Usually the brackets are given and you open up the brackets for expansion. Here you have to put up the brackets for factorization. Last 16th is 12a minus 16b. My dear kids, 12 and 16 you can take which? You can go for 4, the highest factor. Yes, it will be 4 3a minus 4b. So that's the answer. Clear? Further we'll take another set. Let's start. These all were 2 terms. The expression will with 2 terms only. Now I'll be taking 3 terms. For example, we have 2ab plus 3bc plus 4bd. My dear kids, what common you can take from all these? B. Yes, let's take b common, and inside will be something like this. That's your answer. Second, ax plus bx plus x square. These problems we are doing factorizing. Factorize. Okay, what we will take common? X. So inside will be a plus b plus x, and that's your answer. This has 2x. x square का मतलब 2x है इसके पास. एक common निकाल दिया, एक it will be there. Problem number 3 says 2ax plus 3bx plus 4cx. My dear kids, again x you can take in common, and inside will be 2a plus 3b sorry plus 4c. I'll jump on to 4th, and it says, and it says 3pq minus 4q plus 5qs. So you can take in common as q. So inside will be 3p minus 4 plus 5s. I'll jump on to 5th, and it says pqr minus p square. My dear kids, pqr, p common, inside will be qr, and p square में से एक p बाहर निकल गया, तो inside will be one more p left. 6th I'll take 8x square minus 4ax plus 6bx. My dear kids, x is common, and you can also take the highest common factor of 4, 6, 8, that is 2. So I'll take 2x common, and inside will be 4x minus 2a plus 3b. I have taken x common, so x has been taken common. Okay, here I have taken 2 common, so 2 4s are 8. Here again 2 common, so 2 2s are 4, and here 2 3s are 6. So that's your answer. I'll jump on to next 7th, and it says 7ax minus 14ay plus 21az. My dear kids, those who could not understand this, for them I'll just little bit open up the things. 7ax, so 7 into a into x. 14ay, 7 into 2 into a into y. 21az, 7 into 3 into a into z. Now you can take in common if you want. 7 common, कट कर दो 7. a common, कट कर दो a, और इनको बाहर निकाल दो 7a. Inside what is remaining in your first term? X. What is remaining in your second term? 2y. What is remaining in your third term? 3z. So that's your answer. So if you find this method to be difficult to make it directly some highest common factor, you can also use this method. Problem number 8. We have 30ax square minus 6bx square plus 9cx square. If you notice here, we can also take 3 as the highest common factor. Let's start. 30, can I write it 3 into 10 into a into x into x. So this term का opening मैंने ऐसे कर दिया. Minus 6b, तो 6 I can write it 3 into 2. 3 into 2 into b into x, and plus 9c. So I can write it 3 into 3 into c into x. My dear kids, x common. 3 is common in all. So what all terms you have eliminated, take them out. 3x square. What is remaining inside? 10a minus 2b plus 3c. And that's your answer. I'll jump on to 9th, and it says 8x square minus 4ax plus 6bx. I have done this problem, I guess. So I'll take another. 30abc minus 24abd minus 12a square b. My dear kids, 30, 24 and 12. If you notice, it can go for 6 table. Yes, so 6 can be the highest factor. Shall we go for 6? So how I can write 30? 6 into 5 into a into b into c. So that's your first term. How I'll write 24abd? 6 into 4 into a into b into d. How I'll write 12a square b? 6 into 2 into a into b. From here you have to eliminate 6 from all. And what else? A. Yes, my dear kids. Is the b available in all? Can we eliminate b also? So yes, what all things you have eliminated, you have to keep them out. So 6ab. What is inside remaining? First term 5c, second term 4d, third term 2a. Yes, my dear kids, this is the answer. I'll take one more, that is 10th. 10th I'll take it easy. 2mn minus 3nr plus 5np. What is common here is just n, so I'll take directly n outside and inside will be something like this, and that's your answer. Clear, my dear kids? Okay. Now I'll take next topic, that is factorizing by grouping method. How you have to factorize by grouping method? Let's see. If I suppose give you 2xy plus 4x plus 3y plus 6. In that case, you have to take first two terms together and last two terms together and take the HCF. Means आपको इन दोनों टर्म में से कॉमन निकालना है. So can I take 2x common and inside will be y plus 2. Then again you have to take highest common factor of the last two terms. Which is the highest common factor? 3, and inside will be y plus 2. Now you will notice that this bracket and this bracket will always come same. So what you will do, you will write y plus 2 together, one bracket, and this remaining two terms you will take it into one bracket. So that's your answer. Are you getting my point clear? That was your problem number 1 for factorizing by grouping method. I'll jump on to problem number 2, and that says 6x plus 3 plus 2xy plus y. As I said you have to take the groups, take the highest common factor. So 3 will be common, inside will be 2x plus 1. When 3 is taken common and here in this place nothing is there, you have to write 1. Okay, from here you will take y common and inside will be 2x plus 1. You have to notice that this bracket should be same always. So you will get 2x plus 1 as your first bracket and the remaining 3 plus y as your second bracket. And that's your answer. I'll jump on to problem number 3, which says ax plus ay minus bx minus by. My dear kids, first two terms you have to take and next two terms you have to take. From first two terms, if I take a common, it will be x plus y. From second two terms, if I take minus b common, inside will be x plus y. My dear kids, you are putting brackets, so inside sign will change. It was minus before, it will be converting into plus. When you put brackets, inside sign change. Okay? Yes. Further, x plus y आपका एक ब्रैकेट बन गया और दूसरा ब्रैकेट जो रिमेनिंग टर्म्स हैं उनसे बनाना है. Clear? So you got this. I'll jump on to problem number 4, and it says 2x cube minus 3x plus 2xy minus 3y. Let's see what we can do. From here, can you take x common? So inside will be 2x square minus 3. From here, can we take y common? So inside will be 2x. Here it is not cube, it is square. Okay. Okay. So inside will be 2x minus 3. So here you got two brackets, though which are same. So 2x minus 3, and the remaining terms you have to take into one bracket. Clear? I'll jump on to 5th, and it says AC plus AD plus BC plus BD. My dear kids, take two terms together. A common, C plus D here. From here B common, C plus D. You got the inside bracket same. You have to take that bracket as common and the remaining two terms in one bracket. And that's your answer. That was your 5th. I'll jump on to 6th. 6PR plus 2PS plus 3QR plus QS. My dear kids, what you can take in common from here? 2P. Here 3R will be remaining and here S will be remaining. Now here you will take Q common and 3R inside plus S. My dear kids, inside brackets have come same. So that means your answer is correct. And the remaining two terms you will put it into one bracket. Problem number 7. We have xy plus xz minus yz minus y square. My dear kids, take two terms, take something common if you have. Yes, from here also. My dear kids, I have changed the sign. Did you notice why? Because I have put the bracket here. So my inside bracket is coming, either it is y plus z or z plus y. That won't make any difference. So you have a common bracket and the remaining two terms you have to put it in one bracket, and that's your answer. I'll jump on to problem number 8, and it says AB minus AC minus 3B plus 3C. Here I'll take A common, B minus C. Here I'll take minus 3 common. Inside sign will change if I am putting bracket. So my brackets are common here. That means my answer is going to be correct. Clear? And I'll jump on to 9th now. You have ABD plus ABC plus CD plus C square. Here my dear kids, you have AB common, it will be D plus C. From here you can take C common, it will be D plus C. इसके पास दो C है, अगर एक कॉमन निकाल दिया तो एक बाकी बचता है. So you have the inside bracket as D plus C, and outside you can take the next bracket you can take AB plus C. जो रिमेनिंग टू टर्म्स ब्रैकेट के बाहर बचते हैं उनको एक ब्रैकेट में डाल देते हैं. एंड आई जंप ऑन टू प्रॉब्लम नंबर 10, which says 3RT plus R square minus 6ST minus 2RS. Let's see what we can take common, my dear kids. R, so inside will be 3T plus R minus here we can take 2 common. What else? S also we can take common, so inside will be 3T plus R. How? Did you notice 2S कॉमन निकल गया तो यहाँ पे R बचता है, और यहाँ पे 6 का मतलब होता है 2 into 3. सो उसमें से 2 कॉमन तो बाकी 3 यहाँ पे बच दिया, 3 and T. So inside brackets are same, and I change the sign. Why? Because the bracket, I am putting bracket, inside sign will be changing if I am taking minus outside. If there is minus outside, you are putting a bracket and the inside sign will change. So you will get here 3T plus R is one bracket, and the remaining terms outside the bracket will go into one bracket. Is that clear? And that's your answer. Shall we pack up here? God bless.